Good morning, friends. Last lecture we have to discuss the manufacturing of the beer from the brewing process. Okay. In this lecture we have to discuss the last point of the chapter of the sugar and the fermentation industry is about the manufacturing of the whiskey. Okay. Therefore, this manufacturing of the whiskey and the production of the whiskey. Okay. The first step is about the malting. Okay, first step of about the manufacturing of whiskey is about the malting. That the malting process, therefore you have to take the dry grain content of the water must be maximum it about the 40%. Okay, you have to take the dry grains you have to take, and therefore in this dry grain the maximumly 20% of the water must is present into this dry grain. Okay, and therefore it is store the grain after this drying the store it for minimum 6 weeks. Okay, means that grains you have to dry them, and therefore after the drying process you have to store this grain, and after drying the store it for the minimum 6 weeks. Okay, after the drying process, and therefore the store it minimum for these 6 weeks, means you have to 6 weeks you have to store them. Okay, after the dry. Then third is the flipping the graphene when the humidity is reaches to 45%, and the grain should be flipped over for at least 5 days. Okay, means therefore you are to flipping the grains. Flipping the grains means what? Some of the some grains are the bottom they have just flipped them upon. Okay, that is the flipping this grain when the humidity is reaches the 45%, means in your grains therefore the humidity is raises for the 45%, and therefore this grain it should be flipped over for at least 5 days. Okay, means this grain you have to flipping them at least 5 days. Okay, this is all about the malting process, and this is the first process it is used in the production of the whiskey, that is the malting. Okay, second is the grinding process, that the grinding with the mill to get the access the sugar within the malted barley, you have to start the grinding it with the mills. Okay, means after the malting process, after this malting process you have to grinding with the mill, you have to grinding with the mill, and to get the access to the sugar within the malted barley. Okay, means you have to grind this mill and to get the access this sugar within the malted barley, and then you have to start the grinding with the mills. Okay, then secondly you have to try to achieve the quantity of the flour, husk and the middles into this grinding process. Okay, and therefore after this achieving you have to wash the malted barley while increasing the temperature until you got the most sugar out of it. Okay, means in this grinding process after the washing you have to malted barley you have to form, and then you have to increase the temperature, you must sugar it is out. Okay, then thirdly the brewing process or the mashing process, you have to mix with the after this grinding process, therefore you have to mix with the water and the milk charge will be mixed. Okay, therefore this is a shows this diagram, it is this photograph it is shows that you have to after this grinding process, therefore you have to mix with the hot water, and therefore the milk charge will be mixed with the hot water. The ratio from the milk charge to the water is about the 1:4. Okay, and therefore you have to changing the starch after about 1 hours. Okay, you have to changing the starch into the grain after 1 hours, the milk change will be changed the surge in the fermenting sugar. Okay, your milk or milk charge will be changed in the surge in the fermenting sugar, means in this fermenting sugar therefore your milling charge is changed. Okay, after finishing the process mix look like porridge. After finishing your mix looks like the porridge, and this procedure you have to repeat, and it mention the stages for 3 times, and to you have to brew your whiskey property. Okay, and therefore the cooked grain and the malted barley are added to warm water. Okay, your cooked grain and the malted barley you have to add it into the warm water, and therefore it is converted to the liquid. It known as mash. It known as mash means your cooked grain means what? You have to after the grinding process you have to mix with the hot water. This is the cooked grain. Okay, that cooked grain and the malted barley you have to add it to the warm water, and therefore it is converted into the liquid. It is known as mash. This is the brewing or mashing process. Okay, next is the fermentation process. Okay, fermentation process. Therefore after the brewing and the mashing process, therefore it is filling into the special tank, and these special tanks are called as the wash bags. Okay, this filling into the special tank, and that special tank it is called as wash bag, and these are usually made from the wood or the stainless steel. Okay, means that fermentation tanks it is usually made from wood or stainless steel. Okay, after this you are to storing into the special tank. After this storing into the special tank, therefore you have to adding the yeast after the first step in the fermentation process. Okay, in the first step of the fermentation process you have to adding the yeast into this special tank, and the yeast will be added. It will be turned the sugar into alcohol. Okay, you have to adding the yeast into this fermentation tank, therefore the sugar is converted to the alcohol. Okay, and the fermentation process will take about 2 to 3 days. After that time period, product will go into the distillation process. Okay, means this fermentation process will take about the 2 to 3 days. Okay, means that fermentation you have to take the 2 to 3 days. After that time the period product will go into the distillation process. Okay, this is the fermentation process. And the secondly next step is about the distillation process. Okay, next step is about the distillation process. The first distillation and the wash still used to produce the first distillation. Okay, this is the distillation camp. The first distillation and the wash still used to produce the first distillation. Second distillation, after that it will be go through the second distillation and walk through the spirit still in this beer. Okay, and dividing this spirit means alcohol. Dividing the spirit, the next part is divide the spirit that come out of the process into the foreshot, hurt, and the ferrited. So this is all about the distillation process. Okay, then next is the aging process. Okay, that aging process is about the filling the barrel. The product will be filled into the wooden barrels. Okay, means after this distillation process you have to filling into the barrel, and the product will be filled into the wooden barrel used like the oaks. Okay, charred white oaks. Okay, and therefore for this aging process it is stored for the 3 to 4 hours. It will be stored for at least 3 years before it can be called as whiskey. Means you have to store for the 3 to 4 hours. It will be stored for at least 3 years before it can be called as whiskey and the whiskey. Okay, means 3 वर्षाच्या अगोदर तुम्ही ती स्टोर जर केली तर त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण whiskey. Okay, and then bottling, after that you have to bottling, the process will be begin. Okay, and the last step is about the bottling. The bottling is the process where the final product will be extracted from the barrel into the bottle. There are two possible ways. One is a bottling from the single barrel, and this whiskey will be extracted from the single barrel to the bottle. This is called as single barrel whiskey. Okay, means that whiskey will be extracted from the single barrel to the bottle, and this is called as single barrel whiskey. And the bottling from the various number of barrel, the whiskey will be extracted from the more than one barrel to the bottle. This is called as blended whiskey. Okay, so this is all about the 7 step, and that 7 step you have to useful for the manufacturing of the whiskey. Therefore your second topic is over. Next time you have to discuss the third topic, that is about the soap, detergent, and the cosmetic industry. Okay, thank you.